Introducing the BISSELL TurboClean PowerBrush Pet Carpet Cleaner, your ultimate weapon against pet messes on carpets and area rugs. Despite its sleek and lightweight design, this machine is a powerhouse when it comes to tackling tough stains and odors left behind by your furry friends. Whether it's dog urine, cat vomit, or muddy paw prints, the TurboClean PowerBrush Pet is up to the task. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the BISSELL TurboClean PowerBrush Pet Carpet Cleaner into your home. Powerful cleaning performance. The secret behind the TurboClean PowerBrush Pet's effectiveness lies in its 4-row deep reach power brush roll, which works in tandem with BISSELL formula to lift away dirt and stains that a vacuum cleaner might leave behind. With this machine, you can say goodbye to lingering pet odors and unsightly stains, leaving your carpets and area rugs looking and smelling fresh. Designed for pet owners know the struggle of dealing with accidents and messes daily. That's why the TurboClean PowerBrush Pet is specifically designed to tackle tough pet messes in high-traffic areas, small spaces, and area rugs. No more worrying about stains and odors ruining your carpets. This machine has got you covered. Lightweight and convenient. Despite its powerful cleaning performance, the TurboClean PowerBrush Pet is remarkably lightweight and compact, making it ideal for smaller living spaces with limited storage. You can easily maneuver it around your home to target problem areas with ease. 2-tank technology. With its innovative 2-tank technology, the TurboClean PowerBrush Pet ensures that you never have to clean with dirty water. Clean water and formula are kept in one tank, while dirty water is pulled into a separate tank for easy disposal. Plus, the tanks are easy to remove, fill, and empty, making maintenance a breeze. Support a good cause. By choosing the BISSELL TurboClean PowerBrush Pet Carpet Cleaner, you're not just investing in a cleaning machine, you're also helping to save pets in need. BISSELL proudly supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. With every purchase, you're contributing to a worthy cause and making a difference in the lives of animals. Take control of pet messes today. In conclusion, the BISSELL TurboClean PowerBrush Pet Carpet Cleaner is a must-have for pet owners who want to keep their carpets and area rugs clean and fresh. With its powerful cleaning performance, lightweight design, and support for a good cause, it's the perfect solution for tackling tough pet messes with ease. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.